Hi, I'm Michiel Schumacher, the owner of Arteflame Grills. When I designed the Arteflame, I had total control in mind. And what do I mean by that? It's total temperature control, just like you do in a steakhouse. Steakhouses grill their steaks over a combination of wood and charcoal. It gives you that deep, rich flavor. And only my Arteflame has an engineered airflow system that burns a combination of charcoal and wood so hot the grill grate easily reaches 1000 degrees. And this is the temperature you need to expertly sear steaks, lock in the juices and get the deep, rich flavor. Also, heat radiates through the solid steel cooktop, so you can grill all your food at the same time in optimal heat zones. Only an Arteflame lets you control all the temperatures, just like a 5-star steakhouse does. That is what control of the grill is all about. It's all about temperature control. And Arteflame is the best. There's nothing else like it. Plus, the Arteflame is round. You can control the whole party because everybody wants to gather around the Arteflame to smell the food, to see the sizzle, and to be part of the fun. This is the Arteflame difference. Welcome to the Arteflame family.